Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike here with your Synoptic scale CONUS forecast from August 11th to August 15th. And as always, before we get started, a couple things I do need to go over. One, this is not a full and complete forecast. This is just an overview of large-scale events happening over the continental United States. For a full and complete forecast of area, please see your local meteorologist or your favorite weather app. And secondly, all of my times are in Zulu time or the GMT time zone. This is a standard across weather models, so we don't have to deal with time zones. And I am just continuing that trend. I will, however, have all the time zone conversions down in the description below. Alright, let's get started with what's happening right now, 12Z on the 11th. We've got a stalled front stretching from Maryland down into Oklahoma. I'm seeing showers across that front right now. And we've got a cold front coming in from the north that is currently stretching from New York all the way off into Iowa. That front is currently dry. I do expect that to change later. Not a whole lot in the way of thunderstorms, just a rumble of thunder here or there, seen here by the SPC Day 1 convective outlook. Only a marginal risk for severe weather out in the western U.S. Looking ahead to 0Z on the 12th, that cold front coming from the north has pushed the southern front south as a cold front. The southern front is currently stretching from North Carolina off into Arkansas, and the northern front is currently stretching from Maine down into Ohio, across into Illinois, and up into North Dakota. I am seeing showers across both fronts, maybe a rumble or of thunder or two here or there. Fast forwarding ahead to 12Z on the 12th, the southern front has gone off into the Gulf, and the northern front currently stretches from Massachusetts down into West Virginia and across into Illinois. The western part of the front has turned into a warm front as it is now starting to travel eastward. That's currently stretching from Illinois up into North Dakota, and I am seeing some showers and a rumble or thunder or two on the northern side of the warm front. SPC Day 2 convective outlook, not a whole lot here to write home about. Fast forwarding ahead to 0Z on the 13th, the cold front has moved down into South Carolina and stretches off into Louisiana. The eastern part of the front has moved off into the Atlantic, and the warm front is now on the Minnesota-North Dakota border and stretches down into Missouri. I am only seeing showers along the cold front at this time. By 12Z on the 13th, the cold front has mostly moved down into the Gulf, still over top of Florida where it is dropping some showers right now, and over a bit of Louisiana as well. That part is dry currently. And the warm front is now in Minnesota, stretching down into Arkansas. That front is dry at this time. SPC Day 3 convective outlook, still not a whole lot happening. Fast forwarding ahead to 0Z on the 14th, the cold front has moved off into the Gulf, and the warm front has moved up into Michigan, stretching down into Mississippi. By 12Z on the 14th, the warm front has moved off into the other part of Michigan and is stretching down into Missouri right now. I am seeing showers along the front. Remember, a thunder or two would not surprise me. By 0Z on the 15th, that front has dissipated, and we have a new low pressure forming off in Nebraska. By 12Z on the 15th, the low pressure has moved down into the Nebraska-Kansas border. Then we have a new low pressure off in the east that is kicking up some showers in Pennsylvania, Ohio, and West Virginia. Alright guys, that's my CONUS forecast for today. Let's take a quick look into the Atlantic. And we're getting some false hopes. The only disturbance that we are keeping an eye on right now has a near 0% chance of tropical cyclone formation within the next 5 days. Alright guys, that's my forecast for today. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe for future forecasts.